Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Paidbah kanong ba Shillong kila Pyrta ya kagerteng uridim Tlang haba uyo ora bol haba umi Madan na North East United haba kun Pyrshah ya Mumbai City haga jingile kai Indian Super League kabalalong man haga new tarik menta ubnai Hamadan JN Stadium. Ki Paidbah ki balapoi khatsau hajar ngut tam kila Pyrta ya kagerteng ke North East United hendai kala penduk mensiam namar ke Mumbai City kala yot hep gol beningkong haga sau pulai minit. Haba ka jingile kai kadang shongshit bha hendai shwa bankut kapor ke Mumbai City kalau yot thap gol biang kad haduk baki Paidbah kilo mi no na Madan klempat kut ke jingile kai lai i baka North East United kalau pha ele kai uridim Tlang naduk basdang haduk bakut kani kalong ban kring ya kiriu 8 football na Shillong.
But it is in the balance with still the referee in charge for two of those 3-0 defeats. Great play from Jitin, still going Jitin, but Valpoya eventually gets a foot. Bimama launched high once again. Chimpa got a hand to it, didn't catch it clearly. Back into the middle, just over the top from Madan. Well, the Chimpa.